Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anita. I'm a marketing expert, and in today's video I will talk to you about how to grow your email marketing list, and more specifically I will talk about 3 things today. First, I will share with you the cardinal rule for growing your email marketing list. So there's one rule that you should never break if you want your email marketing list to grow. Then the second thing I'm going to talk about is how to promote your email marketing list, and then at the end of this video I will also share with you the most common mistakes that people make when they try to grow their email marketing list. So wow, we have lots to talk about today. Let's get started. But before we get started, let me first introduce myself for all of you who are new to my channel. My name is Anita. I'm a marketing expert. I have an MBA from one of the best business schools in the world, and currently I run a digital marketing agency. In my videos on YouTube, I give marketing advice and I talk about the latest trends in digital marketing. So if you're a marketer, an entrepreneur, or an online personality, welcome to my channel. Okay, so now let's get into the video, and I will start this video by explaining to you the cardinal rule of growing your email marketing list. And that is that you have to give something of value to people in order to get them to sign up for your email marketing list. People get hundreds of emails every day. I think the average number of emails that people receive is like more than 100 per day. So people are really careful about giving out their email address nowadays, and they're not gonna give you their email address just so that they get updates on what's going on with your brand or any kind of other things that then are not really valuable to them. So those things that you can offer to people in exchange for their email address are called freebies, or they're also called opt-ins or lead magnets. Let's talk about what kind of freebies you can give to people in order to get their email addresses. So there's a few different types of freebies. The first and most popular thing that people create for this purpose is PDF files. So that PDF file could be, a guide, a report, an analysis. There's many different options, but PDF files are the most popular freebies that brands give away. Then another option is to create a template for something. So you could create like a PowerPoint template or Canva template. One template that I've been working on is a template of a Google campaign. So in this template that I'm working on, I will explain which criteria you should use for your Google campaign in order to get more views for your videos on YouTube. Then another type of freebie that you can do is a quiz or like an assessment. So you can create a quiz on your website that helps people assess something about their business or their personal life. Like for example, if you're a fitness instructor, you can create a quiz that will assess people's fitness levels and then maybe recommend to them a different fitness program based on where they are right now and what they want to achieve in fitness. Then another type of freebie is a calculator. So you can create a calculator on your website that helps people calculate different things that are important. For example, recently I saw a mortgage calculator where you can enter the amount of mortgage that you need and in the interest rate. Then the calculator will show you your estimated monthly payment, but of course after you provide the email address to the website. Then another thing that you can do is an automated webinar where you create a webinar on an important topic for your audience, and then you schedule this webinar multiple times throughout the month, and people register for that webinar with their email address, and then they're able to watch this pre-recorded webinar. This is a very important freebie that many service providers use, because with the webinar you have an opportunity to develop a stronger connection with your audience than when compared to like just a PDF file. Then yet another type of a freebie that you can offer to your potential customers is a free trial. And I think most online tools and most online services offer free trials to try to collect emails from potential customers, but also to try to convert potential customers into paying customers. And then the last type of freebie that I want to talk to you about today, and this is probably not a freebie in the traditional sense of the word, basically that is pricing information. If you offer products on your website, for some of those products you can hide the price and ask people to provide their email address before they're able to see the price of the product. I'm not really a big fan of this strategy, but I think it can be useful not only for collecting email addresses, but also it can be useful for hiding products that are really cheap on your website so that your more expensive products have more of a chance of getting sold. Because if you have like a really cheap product on your website and then many expensive products, if people are able to see the price of the really cheap product, they might be more inclined to buy the cheap version. Okay, so now let's talk about the most important aspect of growing your email marketing list, and that is how to promote your email marketing list so that more people see it and more people are able to sign up for it. So the first and most effective way to get many people to sign up for your email marketing list is to run paid ads for your freebie and tell people, hey, in order to get this guide or in order to get this analysis, provide your email address and we will email this to you. So to grow your email list with paid ads, of course, is not free, but I think it's worth it, and I think it doesn't have to be super expensive. If you know what you're doing, if you create your ads with the right criteria, you should be able to get a lot of signups for not a lot of money. But now let's talk about other strategies that you can use to promote your email marketing list without having to pay for it. The first thing that you should do is reach out to all your current clients, all your past clients, or all your business associates and ask them if they would like to sign up for your email marketing list. This is a really easy thing to do, and I think most people forget about this, and actually I can include myself in this category. I have not asked all my current clients or past clients or business associates to join my email marketing list, because I don't know, I just kind of never found time to do it. But after this video, I'm gonna do just that. And even though I have the email addresses of all those people, I cannot just manually add them to my email marketing list without getting their permission. And, that's against the law. And then the next thing that you should do is promote your email marketing list all across your website. So, don't be shy about it. Include a subscribe to my email marketing list or subscribe to my newsletter button in many different places on your website. Another strategy that you can use to collect email addresses for your email marketing list is to add this information in your blog posts. So you know how blog posts normally have like several different paragraphs? So between the paragraphs, you can add a section where you have a call to action and a button for people to click on and sign up for your email marketing list. Another strategy that you can use to grow your email marketing list is to add a call to action in the signature of your emails. Therefore, anytime that you send an email to people, they will be reminded that you have an email marketing list and that they can sign up for it. And then yet another strategy that you can use to grow your email marketing list, and this is very popular for service businesses, is to organize online events using pre-recorded webinars. And I already talked about this in the previous section of this video, but basically, after you create a great online webinar, you can use this webinar to organize mini events, online events, where people have to provide their email address to join the event. Then yet another strategy that you can use to grow your email marketing list is to post about it in Facebook groups, but be very selective with this. Don't spam groups on Facebook. You can find several groups on Facebook that are very appropriate for your brand. Join those groups, engage with the people in the groups. Then maybe after you've created a little bit of a connection with the people in the groups, you can share information about your email marketing list and ask people to join. And then the last but not least, the strategy that I want to mention here is social media. I don't see many people promoting their email marketing list on their profiles on social media. This is not something that is regularly done, and I think it's a really big missed opportunity for people. So if you have social media profiles, if you have any kind of following on those social media profiles, make sure that you promote your email marketing list on those profiles. Okay, so now in this section of the video, let's talk about the biggest mistakes that people make when they try to grow their email marketing lists. The first mistake that I want to warn you about is buying emails from companies that resell email addresses. So, there's some companies that collect a large number of email addresses and then they sell those emails to people who are willing to pay for this. I think this is a really bad strategy because, first of all, it is quite expensive to buy email addresses, and second of all, it's really hard to get people who are really truly interested in your brand from those lists of email addresses. I think the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns will go down significantly if you use a paid email list versus an email list that you have spent a lot of time and effort to build. But also I want to clarify that this is different than running ads on Google or Facebook to grow your email marketing list, because when you run ads, you get emails from people who are interested in signing up for your email marketing list, versus if you just buy an email marketing list, you just get a bunch of contacts that are probably not interested in your brand at all. Then another mistake that people make when it comes to building their email marketing list is they give up too quickly. So you have to understand that it takes a really long time to build an email list, and we all know how difficult it is to grow a YouTube channel nowadays. I mean, it's really hard to get new subscribers on YouTube, and it's even harder to get people to sign up for your email marketing list, because when people subscribe for your YouTube channel, I mean, they just click subscribe and that's it. They don't have to give you anything. While when they sign up for your email marketing list, they actually have to provide you their email address, and that takes a lot more convincing, but you shouldn't give up. Over time, I'm sure you will be able to build a good email marketing list. And then the last mistake that I want to mention in this video is the mistake of thinking that people will give you their email address for nothing. This is kind of connected to the cardinal rule that I talked about at the beginning of this video, but many people outside of the marketing community are very naive, and they think that even in 2021 they can collect email addresses for nothing. So yeah, always remember this, that you have to provide a freebie every time you ask for people's email address, okay? That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And if you'd like to be notified the next time when I post videos, please hit the notification bell below. And I post videos every week. So I'll see you again next week. Bye!